So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can present your entire screen on a Zoom meeting on your laptops or Windows using the latest Zoom workplace. Now, for example, if I have on a meeting and it will look something like this, the basic meeting interface. Now here, just simply let me quickly click on this option of more right there, and here you'll see this option. Either you'll find the option of presenting or sharing right there, or just simply click on this option of share. And once you click over there, you'll see this option of either the screen or a specific application window. Now I want to share my entire screen, so that I just simply select screen and hit share. Now my entire screen is being shared on the Zoom application. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.